Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lex, and today's broadcast will take a look at what happens when a questionable individual is made famous by the internet, mostly for the wrong reasons. Today, we will be taking a look at Nova Online and see how powerful the internet is when it comes to someone gaining infamy. Nova Online, or simply Nova, is an American TikToker born around 2005, known for posting food reviews and variety content. He has made his way into a few TikTok cringe compilations due to the structure and subject of his content. He seemed harmless, just some guy on the internet uploading funny videos. But Nova soon became the subject of a very odd rabbit hole. It was reported that Nova was constantly on the online messaging app known as Discord. He had followed accounts of adults pretending to be babies, adults wearing diapers, and was following social media accounts that belonged to young children. There was also a video of Nova, aged about 19, talking to a 14-year-old asking inappropriate questions, all while pretending to act like a baby with a pacifier and wearing a diaper. It was an experience, to say the least. Due to these actions, Nova was labeled as a Lolcow by the internet. Lolcow is a term used for an individual who is only known for being made fun of. They're milked for jokes like a cow. Some other notable Lolcows are Tofiachu and Chris Chan. In the case of Nova, people would troll him and he would then freak out, often on live streams. Instead of addressing the diaper situation, Nova would deflect all accusations as false and claim everything was photoshopped. People reported Nova to his church since he would overshare information online, and Nova would be removed. He would later find himself in hot water with the commentary community when Nova announced that he was creating a podcast. In that debut video, he said people who made videos about him would be sorry. This included, but was not limited to, Kiwi Tapes, Sensitive Society, and Smokey MC. The podcast was titled The Hour of Joy. The title references an event in the story of the popular horror game Poppy Playtime. In the game, the Hour of Joy is when the living toys, such as Huggy Wuggy and Mommy Longlegs, delete the staff and visitors of the Playtime Co. factory as revenge for the staff hurting them for many years. Now that the backstory is out of the way, I would like to give my thoughts on whatever the heck this is. First off, I had actually seen Nova way before I even knew who Nova was. My sister and I will sometimes watch TikTok cringe videos, and in one particular video was Nova, who was doing a fighting off the haters video where he was just hitting the air. As for the Diapergate scandal, I think it's just kind of an odd thing to partake in. Why on earth, in general, would anyone openly admit to liking that kind of content? I'm sorry, but I don't think it's normal for a grown adult to want to suck on pacifiers and wear baby onesies and act like a newborn. I also don't really know how someone can get so engrossed by Discord. I have it too, and a lot of my friends have it too, but we just really use it to talk to each other, share gameplay clips, or share videos. It's essentially our version of a Facebook Messenger, Facebook group kind of app. So I don't get how someone could spend all day on what is essentially a messaging app. Now, Nova saying you'll be sorry to people who made videos about him reminds me of Jalen, who has since retired from the commentary community as I make this video in November of 2024. Jalen would blame everyone else instead of doing any self-reflection and would constantly be online like Nova is. There was an incident just a few months ago where Nova wanted to show a 16-year-old his pacifier. Whenever someone would make a video of Jalen would hold a carrot over the other person's head and say that it would get taken down. Being constantly online like those two were, trying to take down people who disagree with your actions, I don't think it's healthy for anybody to just constantly be on the internet. To add onto the takedown bit, Nova wanting to name his podcast after an event in a horror game of all things, where there is a mass deletion of life, is a little scary, to be perfectly honest. I just name my videos as, Lex Rambles, since, well, I'm Lex, and I do tend to ramble, instead of coming up with a kind of scary name. Nova, on the low chance that you are watching this, please, for all that is good in the world, please just take a break from the internet. Do what Jalen did, just stay off Discord, stay off TikTok, Reddit, and just don't look at any of that stuff. All I have seen about Nova from videos such as the ones from Sensitive Society and Kiwi Tapes is Nova having freakouts, saying creepy things, for lack of better wording, and writing paragraphs of angry comments, and I can barely comprehend it, and I'm just reading about it, so I can't imagine what Nova thinks in order to be able to excuse that kind of behavior. Before I leave you all this fine morning, afternoon, evening, or whenever you may be watching this video, I would like to leave you with a fun fact. Did you know that Grand Duchess Tatiana Nikolovna, second eldest daughter of Tsar Nicholas II and his wife, Alexandra Fyodorovna, had a very domineering yet maternal personality? Due to this, her siblings would give her the affectionate nickname, the Governess. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more of my content, then please subscribe to Sweet Histortea, a channel full of random facts, lots of sparkles, and tons more videos to come in the future. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, bye-bye!
There's a part of myself that I'm missing. Now I gotta let to